Hi, everybody, and welcome to Chroma AI, the all-in-one platform that basically does it all. Okay, that's what I'm gonna say. It does it all. Far as traffic, far as your sales page, far as your ads, far as your integration to Facebook, it does it all. I mean, at the click of a button. So, without further ado, I'm gonna go ahead and get started here. So, everything starts with the create section here. What you're gonna do is you're gonna give your project a name, any name, it doesn't matter. As you scroll down, you have what you call brand kits here. Brand kits are chosen from here, where you create your logo, and you can add these here to go on your ads. Over here, you have what you call image pools, where you can create people image pools and you can create product image pools. So when you click create right here, you have the option of which type of image pool you want to make. Give it a name, description, and you upload about up to 25 images. Okay, so that creates your image pool. So what your image pool could be used for, it could be used for your sales page, it could be used for your ads. If you are working on Amazon products, of course, you can use Amazon images and have them incorporated in your ads. So once you create the image pools, they're yours to use. Just label them along with brand kits. Okay, so once you come up here to the create, you basically put your information in. You can come down here and give it a URL. You can give it some text, or you can upload a file. Alright, so once that's done, you'll click create ad suite and it will create what you call projects. Okay, so these are projects that I've created. This is an Amazon product that I created here. And what it basically does, it shows you how many ads it created for that one project. Right here, it gives you the name and everything of the product here. That's actually your project title, is what that is. Right here, you can just quickly come here and download all 140 of your ads. You might have to give your browser permissions once you click download. You can also come right here, you can create your sales page immediately. But what you have here is your bulk edits for your ads. So you can change everything in your ads, including your highlight colors, your backgrounds. You can add AI backgrounds. You can highlight all the different colors that you want. You could have global overlays and badges in different styles, different locations, call to action settings. Everything is editable. And upon the analysis, it also gave you your target audience in most cases, musicians and stuff like that. Your brand tone is innovative, and your unique selling propositions. That's all included here, along with your keywords. These are vital. And this here, another important aspect is your customer pain points. So all that information is gathered right here for you for when you want to actually do any kind of promoting and stuff like that. So as you scroll down, you have all your ads that were generated. This was a guitar, so as you can see, it's a lot of guitar-based images. And now what I did with these, I generated them without the call to action button. And that's just your option. You can have your ads generated with the call to action or without the call to action button. So this is what was generated from just basically copy and paste the product information from Amazon. That's all basically was done here, and this is more or less what it came out. These are very beautiful ads. They came out fantastic. And you got 140 of them there in all different flavors for all different platforms. And they're ready to go. They're absolutely ready to go. But not only are the ads created, but you have the option to come right here and you can upload this directly to your ad account, and it'll automatically start going through the approval process once you upload it. You can download the ad right here, individual ads. You can edit the ad. You can schedule this to social media right from here. So if you want to schedule this post to social media, you can schedule it right here. If you want to share it right now, you just click right here and you can share it. You just click Facebook, Twitter, Pinterest, LinkedIn, or you could just copy the link right here and share it. So the content is easy to move as far as getting your traffic, your links back to your website. It's easy to do. And just to take a look at some of these ads, they're gorgeous. And you have it for every size, every flavor. These are Curiosity Gap ads, but it's perfect. You didn't have to scrape any of Amazon images. It did all that for you. Also got your 728 by 90s right here. It does it all for you. Everything is completely done for you. You can change the font size on here if you want this to be smaller or larger. You have all those options. Okay, so this has created 140 ads for you. That is just the first powerful piece of Chroma that it does. Your next thing is you can go ahead and create a sales page. So you already scraped the information, so we could just go ahead and generate the sales page from here. I always go with the Get AI suggestions, so I'll click that. So what that basically did, it analyzed your data and it gives you some great headlines to set up, your call to actions, your benefits, your SEO, and your videos, which you set that up after. So I'll just go, grab that. It has a name and a title, and my call to action, experience ultimate portability, benefits. I can select all of these. And for SEO, of course, you want to make sure you have perfectly linked titles and meta descriptions. So I'll go with that one. Scroll down. It just gives you some more SEO optimization that you just want to consider. Of course, mobile and all that, but these are already done in that aspect, so you don't have to worry about it. And now you're going to basically set up your sales page configuration. You have lots of different options here. Just go here, asymmetric. Just grab a logo. Right there. Just use that one. Depending on your membership, you can disable this. And then there's your image pools. So if you want to add image pools of your product, if you had downloaded specific product images, this is where you would pick that image pool and add them. Right here for testimonial purposes and stuff like that, I do have image pools made up of people and headshots, so I'll select those right there. From these here areas right here, you can select your video for your sales video and your demo video. You can use a YouTube link, or you can use one of the videos out of your HeyGen library. If you have a HeyGen account, you set your API up, it'll pull all your HeyGen videos from your library, so you can use those as well. I'm not gonna include the videos right now. And of course, all these sections you have the option to leave on or turn off. All right, so this is a Amazon product. So it's very easy to just go to Amazon. So basically just run to Amazon, grab the link for the Lenovo PC, come down here, basically just paste them in, and it's how long or short you want your page to be. I'll go ahead and make it catalog, and you can change your color palettes here and basically hit generate. Okay, so what has been generated here is a sales page. As you scroll down, you can basically take a look at it, and it builds a highly professional sales page. It looks fantastic. And this is where your image pools come in handy for your testimonials and what customers are saying, things of that nature. But you can see how great the sales page comes out. You're looking at it inside the app right now, but this sales page is actually live. So all your links are already embedded. These are all active. It goes right to your affiliate link here. So you can download the page from right here if you want to upload it to your own domain. You can share the page, so I'll copy the link here and I'll just basically paste and go. And this is what your website will actually look like live. And that's how easy it is to just sell a Amazon product and get a website up for any product. Doesn't have to be Amazon. It could be ClickBank, WordPress, JVZoo. It does not matter. It will dissect the information and create this beautiful page just like this. Okay, so that's what the page looks like. It is live. You can share it directly from outside the app. Okay, so the next thing we have here, you can edit. Click here to edit real quick. You can change your pictures, your videos, your content, your features, everything. Call to actions, you can choose again your video from your agent library, your social proof. You can modify everything here. Click the preview and save changes. Very easy, no hard customization if you want to customize it. Okay, the next cool thing here is you have your video script. So once you click your video script here, you're going to generate a script and metadata. And what you're going to do is you're going to create 3 scripts. You're going to create your long script for YouTube, your short video, and your TikTok video, and all your captions and your metadata and descriptions. So I'll just go ahead and click that and get started. Okay, so as you can see, the video scripts were generated. And here's your long video script right here. As you can tell, it's 2594 characters, 873 characters. You scroll down, you have your TikTok one down here with all your captions. And this is your SEO metadata for YouTube, your title, and your full description, along with your tags. Okay, so everything for the video is there. Far as producing the video, I use HeyGen. There's a link down under your settings in here to set that up. And basically what that does, you just basically copy your script, you paste it in HeyGen, and they'll create the video for you. And it's pretty professional, it looks great, and it's easy to just share and use. Okay, so that's how I use the video scripts. Okay, so as we move further through different parts of the software, being able to create these kind of ads, you are an agency. You basically have a business in a box here. So under templates, you also have premium templates that you can use for generating your ads. If you don't want to use the AI background, you have the option there. I've explained image pools. You have clients. You can onboard your clients right here. But as you create your clients, just remember you want to populate all the information, so when you use the templates, you don't have to worry about missing any information under your clients list. So as we go down here, we got our agency toolkit. So the agency toolkit basically allows you, once you set your clients up, you basically come here and pick your client, and once you pick your client, it auto populates everything here for you. You can also do the website analysis from here because it pulls that data for you. And this is everything to just reach out to the client immediately. You don't have to add your SMT email account or anything like that. It's all embedded, so you don't have to do anything like that. You have your template library, all your information right here you set up for your agency and your team members basically, and your basic information. If you have a customer portal library or booking, you can set that up there as well. Your outreach are all set up for you. So if you want to preview this, you see how it's set up. All your information is already there, and your customer information will already be there. So if I click email, I can pick who I want to email this to right from here, from my client list. And that's all set up automatically. You don't have to worry about configuring anything for that. And all these templates are completely auto-configured once you set up your client. So once I pull my client down from this client list, all templates are completely auto-populated with the information. So when I go preview and use, and I go to download it, you'll see what it looks like. I mean, everything is ready to go. I use my name, but that's how it works. Easy peasy, no configuration on your behalf. Once you set your clients up, it automatically auto-populates that, auto-populates your information, your email, your contact, and you can immediately send out your email to your clients. Okay, so that's the agency toolkit. You also have your client proposal here, which is completely auto-populated for you. So you just basically download and share, and it's ready to go. From here, you can also build your agency website. You add your information here. You add your services. You can auto-fill this from the projects that you have created for your portfolio items. That's totally up to you, optional. And the next cool thing here, you also have blog for traffic, your email outreach system, which is completely set up for you. You can automatically reach out to your clients, your lead management system, and your lead management system is actually connected to your lead magnets. So your lead magnets can easily be created. You just come here, click create a new page. You could choose one of your projects to make it easy. So I did the Apple Watch. So it automatically pulls that information, but then you can also have AI generate more copy for you. So there's your page, and it is actually public. So you just click create and publish. And there's your live page. It is actually usable, so when someone opts into here, they will be added to your lead management system. And as you can see, these are pretty professional looking landing pages. They look great. And I think that pretty much covers it. You also have your content calendar where you can schedule posts and things like that. But another thing that I wanted to mention was on the actual ads. So we were looking at this one here. So if we go to view the ads, okay, so when you go to view ads here, now these ads don't have call to action on them. I didn't put it on here, but I will show you some that do have it. You're not stuck with just editing 140 ads. You could go through here and basically filter out what you want to look at. You got your Google display, your TikTok video, YouTube, Pinterest, and all of these here. So if you just want to filter it out and just look at those particular ads, or you want to edit just those ads, if you want to edit them, you want to select this here. So these are all selected, as you can see, they're checked off. And then you could go here up to your global settings, and you could change everything on those ads. So that's basically how easy it is to edit one ad, 140 ads, or however many you want. You just basically select it here, or you filter it and select them here. And I know I might have mentioned this, but again, you have the option to view. You have the option to edit, download, directly upload to your publishing ad platform. So mine is connected over here to Facebook. So all I have to do when I'm looking at those ads, if I want to add it to my account, I just basically click publish to your Facebook page, your Facebook ad account. So these are basically ads that I created where I removed the call to action button on them. But if we go back over here to projects, I believe we just did the echo not long ago, so I'll click view these ads. Okay, so on this here one you can see where we actually have the call to action buttons on the ads themselves. If you scroll down, you have all the same options, but now we actually have the call to action here. Another great feature that you could do with the ads, I'll keep this here, so I'll just go to Google Display Ads and I'll select all of those and filter it out. But what you can do as well is you could come here and, you know, add your website. So if there's a particular website that you try to attach to your ads, you can just basically come here, paste it in, set your highlight colors, your opacity, and I can go ahead and click apply to those ads, those 8 ads. So as you can see, it populated the domain underneath the call to action on those particular ads. And you could change the format of your font and all that stuff out here, but you could also quickly share this with ease. It's just that easy. And that goes for Twitter, Facebook, LinkedIn, or the link right here. You could just share it. But, you know, free traffic. I believe I've shown you pretty much everything in Chroma. You also have your analytics from your ads right here, your scheduled posts. You can schedule your posts, your ad platforms, your team integration, lead magnets, AI super agent. Basically, any help that you need, it's right here for you. AI copywriter, if you need any of this information, headlines, sublines, video script, TikTok Reels, YouTube, you have all that right here. Your HeyGen library is right here. Your content calendar, your blog management, your leads management, email outreach, and then of course you have your blog, which you could just go and actually, the blog is posted to every day, so you can just read it. And again, your agency toolkit for reaching out to your customers and clients, training, your templates, image pools, clients, brand kits, sales pages, your campaigns for your marketing purposes, for like if you're going to do the ad campaigns, that's how they're set up there. Your projects is where everything is stored after you create. And again, you have your affiliate hub here if you want to become an affiliate. Thanks again for watching, and I hope to see you on the inside.